Hello everyone, my name is Dhruva Deshpande. This is Calligraphy Central, my submission for the Google X Kaggle Agentic AI Capstone project Freestyle Track. Traditional social media platforms aggressively compress media, destroying the fine brush strokes and ink textures crucial to calligraphy. Furthermore, broad market algorithms routinely suppress this detailed and niche artwork. To solve this, Calligraphy Central allows uncompressed 50 megabyte uploads to preserve pure artistic fidelity for both human users and multimodal models. As mapped out in our overall system architecture, the application decouples a traditional user-facing PHP backend from an independent, highly scalable Python AI runtime service powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash. Users authenticate securely before accessing their personal dashboards. The moment an artist uploads an asset, AI moderation workflow takes over. Rather than relying on slow, manual moderation or generic object detectors, the platform pipes the raw data stream straight to Python AI runtime. Also, uploading of images takes about 20 to 30 seconds and uploading of videos takes about 60 to 90 seconds. If the uploaded content is completely unrelated to calligraphy or violates safety guidelines, the pipeline fails securely, halting publication, deleting temporary files, rolling back queries, and leaving our database completely pristine. Our backend is driven by highly structured, multi-agent orchestrated layer, clearly illustrated in our agentic AI architecture. The orchestrator receives the payload and maps out execution paths against explicit, reusable playbooks isolated inside our agent skills directory. Google Gemini 2.5 Flash performs deep multimodal reasoning on the raw imagery, evaluating advanced artistic dimensions like stroke consistency, line alignment, and spatial balance. It returns strict, standardized JSON variables containing quality indices, classification tags, error flags directly into our system logs. Because we skip waiting times via a crisp edit, you can see the immediate result here live on the platform. The agent acts as an autonomous mentor, extracting the explicit script style, compiling precise quality metrics, and writing constructive advice for the artist's growth with a score. This same robust pipeline handles video assets natively by leveraging Gemini Files API. The system automatically waits until Google Gemini finishes processing the video before requesting analysis. Once the results appear, the same intelligent moderation and evaluation pipeline works seamlessly for videos without requiring any manual intervention. When the uploads are completed, you are redirected towards our My Portfolio page where you can see, edit, or delete your artwork. Approved submissions enter the public community gallery. Each post already contains AI-generated evaluation results right into the comment section, allowing users to learn from both their own work and contribution from others. This transforms the gallery into an educational resource rather than simply an image feed. Calligraphy Central proves that autonomous agent workflows can completely modernize traditional technology stacks and elevate creative subcultures. Multiple autonomous decisions are made without requiring user intervention, creating a complete intelligent workflow. All diagrams, documentations, and source code are live on my public GitHub repository. Thank you for watching.